Hello and welcome back to How It's Done. The secret syrup that's part of Coca-Cola with its irresistible flavor remains one of the most closely guarded recipes in the beverage industry. Known only to a select few, the formula is stored in a highly secure vault, ensuring its confidentiality. Combined meticulously with carbonated water, the syrup undergoes a precise blending process, achieving the perfect balance of sweetness and fizziness that millions around the globe crave. Once blended, the Coca-Cola mixture is carefully transferred through a series of chambers and pipelines within the bottling plant. Advanced machinery plays a crucial role in this phase, ensuring that every step is executed with precision. Bottles are meticulously lined up and ready to receive the iconic beverage. This mechanized orchestration not only optimizes efficiency, but also maintains the quality and consistency that Coca-Cola is renowned for. Interestingly, Coca-Cola's journey from its early days to its present-day ubiquity is filled with intriguing milestones. Initially marketed as a remedy for ailments like headaches and fatigue, Coca-Cola was touted as a brain tonic, promising to rejuvenate and refresh. Today, it stands as a global symbol of refreshment and enjoyment, delighting consumers in over 200 countries. The bottling process itself is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Each bottle is carefully filled to the brim with Coca-Cola, ensuring that each sip delivers the same refreshing taste. The caps are swiftly sealed to preserve the beverage's flavors and combinations, a crucial step in maintaining its quality from production to consumption. In its nascent stages, Coca-Cola's sales were modest, with only 9 glasses sold per day. Fast forward to the present, and Coca-Cola's production capabilities are staggering, filling an astonishing 200,000 bottles every minute to meet global demand. This exponential growth underscores Coca-Cola's enduring popularity and the trust consumers place in its consistent quality. When it comes to enjoying Coca-Cola, whether at home or at restaurants or on the go, the experience is enhanced by the meticulous packaging process. Bottles are carefully wrapped in cardboard and sealed in plastic to ensure that they reach consumers intact and ready to enjoy. For those who prefer the convenience and portability of Coca-Cola in tin cans, each can undergoes a unique heating process and handling process to ensure it's thoroughly dried and efficiently stored, maintaining its crispiness and coolness. Indeed, Coca-Cola's tin cans have become iconic symbols of refreshments, offering not just a beverage but a sensory experience with every crack of the tab. Whether chilled in a cooler on a hot day or enjoyed alongside a favorite meal, Coca-Cola continues to captivate and refresh, making it a beloved choice for millions worldwide. During World War II, Coca-Cola emerged as more than just a beverage. It became a symbol of comfort and normalcy for American soldiers serving abroad. Recognizing the morale-boosting power of a familiar taste from home, Coca-Cola established portable bottling plants near combat zones, ensuring troops had access to refreshing drinks they cherished. This initiative not only provided physical refreshment, but also served as a psychological boost, reminding soldiers of the comfort of civilian life amidst the rigors of war. Today, Coca-Cola's influence spans more than 200 countries, a testament to its enduring global appeal and cultural significance. The slogan, "Open Happiness," encapsulates Coca-Cola's universal message of joy and positivity, resonating with people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. It has transcended geographical boundaries to become a unifying symbol of shared moments and celebration worldwide. Maintaining Coca-Cola's esteemed reputation requires stringent quality control measures at every stage of production. From sourcing ingredients to bottling and distribution, rigorous checks ensure that each bottle meets the company's high standards. The commitment to quality also not only safeguards Coca-Cola's iconic taste, but also reinforces consumer trust in the brand's consistency and reliability. Before reaching consumers, each bottle of Coca-Cola is marked with the iconic red and white logo, a symbol of its long-standing heritage and global recognition. This logo serves as a visual reminder of Coca-Cola's legacy of innovation and excellence dating back to the humble beginnings. It also presents more than just a beverage. It embodies a tradition of refreshment and enjoyment that has endured for generations. In essence, Coca-Cola's journey from its wartime role to its present-day global presence underscores its ability to adapt and resonate with changing times, while staying true to its core values of quality, happiness, and community. As it continues to evolve, Coca-Cola remains a cherished part of daily life in millions, bringing people together and spreading happiness one sip at a time. From peanuts to pickles, the world's embraced a variety of unconventional pairings with Coca-Cola, creating unexpected yet satisfying taste experiences. These experiences often highlight the beverage's versatility and ability to complement a wide range of flavors, from savory to sweet and everything in between. Whether it's the salty crunch of peanuts contrasting with Coca-Cola's effervescent of the tangy bite of pickles complementing its sweetness, these combinations have become beloved by enthusiasts seeking new culinary adventures. The process of preparing Coca-Cola for distribution involves a meticulous attention to detail. After the secret syrup that gives Coca-Cola its distinctive taste is carefully combined with carbonated water, the beverage undergoes a journey through intricate chambers and pipelines. Advanced machinery ensures that every step from bottling to packaging is handled with precision. Bottles are lined up flawlessly by machines ready to be filled with the beloved drink that has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. To ensure convenience for consumers everywhere, sturdy cardboard packaging is molded around the bottles and securely stapled. This packaging not only protects the bottles during transport, but also facilitates easier handling and storage. Gone are the days of struggling with plastic wrap. Now customers can effortlessly carry their Coca-Cola bottles to picnics, parties, or any occasion without worry. The evolution of Coca-Cola's packaging reflects its commitment to providing seamless and enjoyable experiences for consumers. By optimizing packaging materials and design, Coca-Cola enhances the convenience While maintaining the beverage's freshness and quality, the dedication to innovation extends beyond taste and encompasses every aspect of the Coca-Cola experience, ensuring that every sip is as delightful as the last. Energy drinks have carved out a niche in the beverage market by offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to provide an instant energy boost and enhance mental alertness. These drinks are particularly popular among individuals seeking a quick pick-me-up during a hectic day or intense workouts. Packed with caffeine, vitamins, amino acids, and other beneficial compounds, energy drinks are formulated to combat fatigue and improve focus, making them a go-to choice for many. One of the defining features of energy drinks is their effervescent quality. The bubbly fizz not only adds a refreshing element, but also contributes to the overall sensory experience. The carbonization, often more pronounced in glass bottles due to their non-permeable nature, enhances the drink's texture and mouthfeel. This prolonged carbonation effect makes glass bottles a preferred choice for packaging energy drinks, ensuring that each sip delivers a consistent and enjoyable fizziness. Beyond their functional benefits, glass bottles used for energy drinks have found a second life as a versatile and stylish household item. Once empty, these bottles can be repurposed as decorative bases, unique candle holders, or even storage containers for small items. Their sleek design and durability make them a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers looking to reduce waste and add a personal touch to their living room. In recent years, manufacturers have also focused on enhancing sustainability of energy drink packaging. Many brands now use recyclable glass bottles, aligning with consumer demand for environmentally friendly practices. This shift not only reduces the impact of the environmental waste, but also underscores the versatility and enduring appeal of glass as a packaging material. After washing and drying, bottles are swiftly filled and sealed to minimize human contact, ensuring freshness. Glass bottles maintain carbonation better, providing a longer-lasting fizzy sensation. Each bottle is carefully capped by a machine to prevent leaks, securing the fizz inside. Whether on a date, movie night, or a party, these drinks are prepared to be enjoyed with friends, promising a delightful drinking experience every time. As we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of Coca-Cola production, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Behind every refreshing sip lies a meticulously process rooted in craftsmanship and tradition. From the closely guarded secrets to the syrup, to the precise blending with carbonated water, every step is a testament to Coca-Cola's commitment to quality and consistency. The story of Coca-Cola extends far beyond its ingredients and manufacturing techniques. It spans generations, cultures, and continents, embodying a legacy of innovation and enjoyment. From the humble beginnings of its global reach in over 200 countries, Coca-Cola has remained a timeless symbol of happiness and refreshment. As bottles are meticulously filled, capped, and stamped with the iconic logo, they carry more than just a beverage. They carry a legacy of joy and community. Each sip of Coca-Cola connects us to a shared experience that transcends borders and unites people around the world. In the ever-evolving world, Coca-Cola continues to evolve, adapting to new tastes and preferences while staying true to its roots. The commitment to quality and innovation ensures that every bottle of Coca-Cola delivers the same delightful experience, whether enjoyed alone or shared with family and friends. So the next time you enjoy a Coca-Cola, remember the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into each bottle. Raise your glass to tradition, innovation, and the enduring magic of Coca-Cola, a beverage that brings happiness and refreshment to millions every day.